creating, if you haven't done it yet, a community that people want to be a part of, right? And ultimately, we want to be in relationships with other people whom we like, whom we respect, whom we believe we can team up with to do great things. So really reinforce that sense of community and relationships. Thirdly, offer growth and development opportunities. Be explicit about that. Most organizations have them, but they're not doing a good enough job of conveying them. And then lastly, get into the details of what kinds of flexibility people need to make it work for them.
I'm curious, when these women leave, are they leaving one job but going to another, or are they leaving the workforce, and if so, what do they then do?
Well, I am not sure that's clear, either from the data you shared or from data that I've seen. I think many of us are calling this, the great reshuffling, rather than the great resignation. But it's clear that there's lots of churn. It's clear that lots of people are leaving jobs. It's not clear where they're going. And so I think one thing we need to be careful about is sort of coming to premature conclusions about what's really going on.
Amy, very quickly, we're a little tight on time before we let you go. Are you pessimistic or optimistic when we look to the future?
I guess I'm going to have to go with optimistic, just as long as we focus this on the opportunity it is to rethink the value proposition for employees. I think then we can get there. We can design things that work, we can experiment and create something that's better than what we used to have.
Okay. Amy, thank you so much for your time today. Again, that's Amy Edmondson, Professor of Leadership and Management at the Harvard Business School. And that will do it for another edition of KNX In Depth. For Charles Feldman, I'm Chris Seatons. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back again tomorrow at 1 o'clock.
If dog people made dog food, it definitely wouldn't look like dusty, burnt brown pebbles. Ugh. It would actually be food. It would be made with real, fresh meat and veggies, gently cooked to preserve their nutritional value. You know, like food. The Farmer's Dog was created by dog people who cook and deliver fresh, healthy food. Try the Farmer's Dog and get fresh, pre-portioned meals tailored to your dog's needs. Tell us about your dog, build your plan, and get 50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio. That's thefarmersdog.com/radio.
Hey, Santa Clara County sports fans, the new Omicron booster is here and available for everyone 12 and older. Remember that kids can get really sick with COVID and the effects can be serious and long-term. You can't be at the top of your game when you're super fatigued, so keep your athletes safe this fall and winter with this important booster. And of course, wear a high-quality mask whenever you're inside with lots of people. Visit sccfreevax.org or call 211 to make your booster appointment. Stay healthy and stay in the game.
Enough of cable internet. If you're tired of steep price hikes, upload speeds slower than download speeds, and worrying about Wi-Fi, then uncable yourself and switch to Frontier Fiber. With unrandom pricing, equal uploads and downloads, and our whole home Wi-Fi guarantee. Introducing internet that works the way it should. Frontier Gig Fiber with our 3-year price guarantee. Plus, you can get a $200 Visa reward card on us. See frontier.com/fast4 for complete offer terms, eligibility, and performance details. Subject to availability.
Hi, this is Stephanie from Safeway with great news. You can earn Safeway rewards with each purchase you make. Then use your rewards for discounts on groceries or up to 20 cents off per gallon in gas rewards at participating Shell or Texaco stations, and up to $1 off per gallon at participating Safeway fuel stations. Not a member? Register for an account with your phone number at checkout and start earning rewards today. Restrictions and exclusions apply. More at Safeway.com/premium. This is Stephanie from Safeway, and we'll see you soon.
Looking for stories about the Black community and you don't want to wait until, February? Then check out Beyond Black History Month, the podcast that tells inclusive stories year-round. Like how today's labor movement is connected to the civil rights movement, and why Black neighborhoods keep getting hit with water crisis after water crisis.
We're still being charged for water that we can't use.
Listen and subscribe to Beyond Black History Month on the Odyssey app or wherever you get your podcast from.
Gorgeous gaming, stunning streams, unbelievable bandwidth. It's another Lifestyles of Gagillionaires. Meet the AT&T Fiber customers winning at life with hyper gig speeds. Meet Gagillionaire Terry. While his love of streaming horror movies has him constantly on the edge of his seat, his internet bill won't give him a scare.
Oh, I'm going there. I'm telling you.
Because since Terry upgraded to AT&T Fiber with hyper gig speeds, he doesn't worry about data caps or equipment fees.
Oh man, the door's open for a reason.
And best yet, he also doesn't stress about a price increase at 12 months, because with the amazing Gagillionaire lifestyle comes an exquisite sense of tranquility. Most of the time. Live like a Gagillionaire. Get straightforward pricing with AT&T Fiber. Internet that upgrades everything. No data caps, no equipment fees, and no price increase at 12 months.
Limited availability in select areas. Visit att.com/hypergig for details.
225, sponsored by Pfizer. Freeways, Tom Tran.
All right, still dealing with this situation over at LAX. This was, as you heard, a pursuit that started in San Diego. It ended literally on the ramp from Sepulveda Boulevard to Century Boulevard at LAX. That ramp from after you exit the tunnel to try to get to the airport, it's shut down. And police are still trying to get this suspect in custody. As a result, Sepulveda Boulevard is basically stopped. The 105 West ramp to Sepulveda Boulevard also jammed up. Skyway coming from the north off Sepulveda Boulevard to the LAX, seeing overflow traffic. Century Boulevard is a mess, and the upper deck is just jammed solid. So if you or anyone you know is trying to catch a flight at LAX, keep that in mind until they get the situation under control. You're going to want to leave plenty of extra time, and do not take Sepulveda Boulevard northbound coming out of the Englewood area or out of the South Bay. Northbound side of the 57, signal alert still in place. The ramp from the north 57 to the west 60 is still shut down because of this overturned big rig. The backup starts at Tonner Canyon. Southbound side of the Hollywood Freeway, extra busy today, starting at Sunset Boulevard into downtown. The northbound side slows basically out of Boyle Heights, and it's going to stay slow all the way into the Cahuenga Pass. It usually clears up before then, but not today. Eastbound side of the 134, we've got slowing through Burbank from just after Olive over towards the 5. Charging cell phone can be like getting a booster shot. A booster is given to enhance or restore protection after a primary series vaccination, which wanes over time. Schedule an appointment when you're eligible. Your next report, 2:35 from the Simpson Automotive Group 24-hour traffic center.
I'm Jack Myers, host of the Legends and Leaders podcast at Media Village. The one constant truth leaders share is the importance of a diverse workforce. That's why MediaVillage.com is hosting Black Talent Outreach Week, October 17th through 20th. Register free and apply at MediaVillage.com for jobs and advertising.
Hell!
And other leaders at legendsleaders.org.
Stupid motorcycle showing off.
This week in music. Green Day has announced a Nimrod reissue in honor of the album's 25th anniversary. Available as a 3-disc CD and 5 LP vinyl collection in January. It includes previously unreleased demos as well as a concert. Switchfoot has released a new song called California Christmas, an original track off the band's upcoming holiday compilation. This is our Christmas album. It will be released November 4th. For more, visit Odyssey.com.
If dog people made dog food, it definitely wouldn't look like dusty, burnt brown pebbles. It would actually be food. It would be made
Man, motorcycles love showing off.
to preserve their nutritional value. You know, like food. The Farmer's Dog was created by dog people who cook and deliver fresh, healthy food. Try the Farmer's Dog and get fresh, pre-portioned meals tailored to your dog's needs. Tell us about your dog, build your plan, and get 50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio. That's thefarmersdog.com/radio.
Hey, Santa Clara County sports fans, the new Omicron booster is here and available for everyone 12 and older. Remember that kids can get really sick with COVID, and the effects can be serious and long-term.
Show
you
off.
can't be at the top of your game when you're super fatigued. So keep your athletes safe this fall and winter with this important booster. And of course, wear a high-quality mask whenever you're inside with lots of people. Visit sccfreevax.org or call 211 to make your booster appointment. Stay healthy and stay in the game.
At Frontier, we know you've had enough of cable internet. If you're tired of steep price hikes, upload speeds slower than download speeds, and worrying about Wi-Fi, then uncable yourself and switch to Frontier Fiber. With unrandom pricing, equal uploads and downloads, and our whole home Wi-Fi guarantee. Introducing internet that works the way it should. Frontier Gig Fiber with our 3-year price guarantee. Plus, you can get a $200 Visa reward card on us. See frontier.com/fast4 for complete offer, terms, eligibility, and performance details. Subject to availability.
What's up, everybody? Guess who's hosting a new podcast? No Mercy with Stephen A. Smith. Listen as I pull back the curtain on everything beyond the world of sports, interviewing influential guests, outspoken celebrities, and thought leaders across the political, financial, and